welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I'm not doing just an unboxing video of one bag, but two bags by Wallace. And I couldn't be more excited to share these two bags with you. I love this brand. These bags are super lightweight. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So I did cut the boxes open just so it was a little bit easier. But let's see what's in the first box. Oh my gosh. So it comes in a big box, and then they also each come in this beautiful cloud dust bag. So the first bag is the Medium Metro by Wallace. Gorgeous. This is the color Magnet. As you can see, it has gold hardware. It has the leather trim details. This bag is highly popular. It is just a big tote style bag. And it does come with one medium sized pouch. And all the hardware has gold detailing on it. This is just a super popular bag, and I can't wait to pack this up and use it. The second bag that I am going to open is a little bit out of my comfort zone, not gonna lie. I'm definitely more of a neutral color girl. I just like bags that go with everything because that's just my jam. So this is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm really excited about it. Again, it comes in this beautiful cloud dust bag. Oh my goodness. And this bag is the large Sutton in Estate Blue. And I am gonna say it is definitely more of like a neutral blue color. I feel like it's gonna be super cute in the summer and in the fall. I think it actually is gonna be like a great all season color. It does have the silver hardware on it and also has the leather trim on the handles. This large Sutton is definitely a similar size to the Medium Metro. If I can hold them up. Yeah, they are very similar, if not almost the same size. I think that the drop handle might be a little bit longer on the Medium Metro Tote than on the large Sutton. But yeah, they're relatively similar in size. So if these are two styles that you're debating between, you know, I'd say that they're definitely similar in size. The huge difference between the Medium Metro and the large Sutton is that, number one, it has two zipper pulls, so it has a double zipper. It also comes with 3 packing cases rather than just the one medium-sized one that the Medium Metro Tote comes with. And also a huge thing that it comes with, crossbody strap, which as a mom of 2 little boys, having the hands-free option is huge. Also on the Sutton, the sides can clip down, so it kind of does make it a different look than just the typical tote bag. But like I said, having the crossbody option is a game changer. Not that I don't love the shoulder straps, but having the hands-free option is awesome. So there you have it, guys, the Medium Metro in Magnet and the large Sutton in Estate Blue. I hope that gave you a good idea of size reference and also just how the colors look in real life. I'm super excited to get these bags packed up and show you just how I use them in my everyday mom life. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. See you next time.